What you guys need to start doing is linking as much pain to something as possible for the things that you want to achieve. So rather than thinking, right, I want to earn lots of money and have a business because I want a Lamborghini. It's a lot harder for you to do that because you're used to living life without a Lamborghini, right? Whereas, for example, you know, in like a nice house and things like that, like I want a nice house. I think it's super beneficial and productive and good for your life, right? To have these dreams and have these material objects that you want in the future. That's good to have. It's something to aim toward. But when it comes to getting stuff done, you need to have something painful alongside that. So in my situation, it was the pain of going back to university, doing exams, and then getting a dead-end job for the rest of my life. That was my pain, right? So the pain of not making that phone call, or the pain of not reaching out to clients, or not getting on YouTube and making videos, is the fact that I could end up going back to bloody work in a miserable job that I hated and working for £7 an hour. I don't bloody want that. That is the pain that I use to push me. So when I'm sitting there and I'm like, oh, no, I don't know if, and we all get like it, guys, but if I'm sat there sometimes I'm like, oh God, I got a phone call with a potential client in a minute, like I can't be asked to do it. I think, stop it, right? Stop it. Imagine, like, if I had to go back to work tomorrow, like my pain, I'm like, right, you know what, no, I need to keep going, I need to keep going, I need to keep going. That's what you guys need to have. I can't tell you what that pain is for you. For me, it was super simple. Like I said, it was just going back to work or going to school and working a 9 to 5. That might not be the same for you. You might be quite happy working a 9 to 5, but you may have grown up with a family that have no money, or you might have had financial struggles in the past. So the pain of having that financial struggle again should be your motivator when it comes to you going out there and getting your dream lifestyle and getting stuff done.